Namaste student, history of India. I JVN Kaushik Chakravarti from Jyoti Vidyapith, Women University, Jaipur, Rajasthan, Faculty of Education and Methodology. Today we are going to discuss the subject biomedical signal processing. From the subject we discuss today's topic electrocardiography. Right now we are discuss various types of signal processing and their applications also. Now the electrocardiography is the process of producing an electrocardiogram, ECG or EKG, a recording, a graph or voltage versus time of electrical activity of the heart using electrodes placed on the skin. That means it's a recording purpose. Graph versus voltage and time is a machine that creates a graph that generates a signals versus voltage and time of the electrical activity of the heart using electrode placed on the skin. The electrocardiogram records from the body surface of register the difference in electrical potential generated by heart. The signal recorded is determined by action potential generated by millions of individual cells and their sequence of activation. A magnitude of factors, both cardiac and extracardiac, after the final electrical signal. For instance, the electrical force generated by heart are subsequently altered by the positions of the heart within the body, the nature of the intervening tissues and the distance of the recording electrodes. Since the final recorded electrical signal does not faithfully reflect the electrical activity of the individual cell, the student should not expect the ECG necessarily to provide an exact automatic or psychological picture of the heart. Nevertheless, as a result of careful correlation of electrocardiographic patterns with observed automatic, pathologic and psychological data, it is now possible to deduce with a high grade of accuracy the state of the heart from the surface ECG. While it is true that ECG may be normal despite of abnormal heart or abnormal with a normal heart, it is equal true that ECG often provide an important identification of a cardiac abnormality and even allow a fairly accurate data and physiological significance of the abnormality. Furthermore, the ECG is the best method to analyze disturbance of the cardiac rhythm. Basically, we are identifying the smoothness functioning of the heart. That's why we use ECG machines for determining the functions of the heart. If there is some correlation of electrocardiographic or ECG and the electrocardiography shows the graph between voltage with time, the ECG also determine the important identifications of cardiac abnormality. If there is some abnormality in the heart, the ECG determine the concept of abnormality and identify the abnormality. It's the best method to analyze the disturbance of the cardiac rhythm. So we can determine the disturbance, we can determine the cardiac rhythm of the heart through ECG machines and identifying the smoothness of the system of heart. Thank you.